When it comes to enhancing the security, functionality, and aesthetic appeal of your business premises, commercial door installation is a critical investment. For businesses in Birmingham, the process of selecting and installing the right commercial door can be daunting given the wide array of options and unique local considerations. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Why your business needs the right commercial door. Commercial doors are not just an entryway. They serve multiple purposes. Security. Protect your business assets with durable, secure doors. Functionality. Ease of access for employees, customers, and deliveries. Compliance. Meet Birmingham's local building codes and accessibility standards. Aesthetics. Create a welcoming first impression for visitors and clients. Selecting the right door can significantly impact your business operations and customer perception. Types of commercial doors. Understanding the types of commercial doors available can help you make the best choice for your business needs. Steel doors. Known for their durability and security, steel doors are ideal for high traffic areas or businesses that prioritize safety. Glass doors. These provide an elegant, modern look, often used in retail and office settings. Options include tempered or laminated glass for added safety. Fire-rated doors. Essential for compliance with fire safety regulations. These doors help contain fire and smoke, offering critical protection. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and corrosion resistant, aluminum doors are common for storefronts and areas exposed to the elements. Automatic doors. Convenient and ADA compliant, automatic doors are perfect for enhancing accessibility in retail, healthcare, and hospitality sectors. Factors to consider when choosing a commercial door. Purpose. Understand the primary function of the door, whether it's for security, aesthetics, or heavy-duty use. Material. Will match the material to your business's requirements. For example, steel offers strength, while glass enhances visual appeal. Compliance. Birmingham has specific building codes and regulations. Ensure your chosen door meets fire safety and accessibility standards. Climate. The city's weather conditions should influence your decision. Durable and weather-resistant materials like aluminum may be better suited for Birmingham's climate. Budget factor in the cost of the door, installation, and ongoing maintenance. Steps to install a commercial door in Birmingham. Evaluate your needs. Assess the door's purpose and location, and determine whether it will require additional features such as security locks or access control systems. Choose a reputable installer. Hiring a trusted installation company is crucial. Look for certified professionals with experience in commercial projects and knowledge of Birmingham's local regulations. Obtain necessary permits. Some installations may require permits or inspections to ensure compliance with city codes. Your installer can guide you through this process. Prepare the site. Clear the area, measure accurately, and inspect the existing framework. Proper preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Install the door. Professional installers will align, secure, and test the door to ensure it functions correctly. Post-installation check. Inspect the door to confirm that it meets safety, security, and operational requirements. Your installer should provide maintenance tips and warranty information. Benefits of professional installation expertise. Professional installers have the experience to handle complex installations and unforeseen challenges. Efficiency. Save time and avoid costly mistakes by hiring experts who work quickly and effectively. Compliance. A professional team ensures that your installation adheres to all Birmingham building codes and safety regulations. Top tips for maintaining your commercial door. For regular inspections. Check for wear and tear, alignment issues, and functionality. Lubricate moving parts. Prevent squeaks and ensure smooth operation by regularly lubricating hinges and tracks. Clean the surface. Keep your door looking professional by cleaning it regularly. Repair promptly. Address issues like dents, cracks, or misalignment immediately to prevent further damage. Schedule professional maintenance. Have a professional inspect and service your door periodically. Why choose Birmingham-based installers? Local installers understand the unique needs of businesses in Birmingham, including familiarity with weather-related challenges, knowledge of city regulations and permitting processes, quick response times for consultations and emergencies. Conclusion. Commercial door installation is a significant investment in the safety, functionality, and image of your business. By understanding the available options, working with reputable local professionals, and committing to regular maintenance, you can ensure that your investment serves your business for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your business with a new commercial door in Birmingham, consult with local experts to get started today. Make your business stand out with the perfect door, both a symbol of security and a welcoming invitation to all who enter.